Expert bathroom remodeling services in Murray, Utah. EagleRidge is your trusted expert for bathroom remodeling in Murray, Utah, serving the 84107, 8412123, and 84157 areas. We specialize in creating stylish, functional, and modern bathrooms that enhance your home's value and comfort. Whether you need a complete renovation or simple upgrades, we offer a full range of services, from tubs and showers to vanities, lighting, and tile installation. Our remodeling process begins with a detailed consultation to understand your vision. From demolition and structural modifications to plumbing, electrical work, and waterproofing, we ensure every aspect of your new bathroom is carefully planned and executed. We use high-quality materials and the latest trends to create a space that reflects your style while ensuring long-term durability. EagleRidge offers tailored solutions, including custom cabinetry, flooring installations, and accessibility upgrades. Whether you want a modern, sleek look or a more traditional aesthetic, our team delivers flawless craftsmanship. Smart technology integration, like heated floors and smart mirrors, is also available to enhance your bathroom experience. For those seeking luxury, we provide spa-like additions such as jacuzzis, steam showers, and saunas. We also specialize in skylights, soundproofing, and decorative elements that elevate the overall ambiance of your space. Every detail, from fixtures to final cleaning, is handled with precision and care. If you're ready to upgrade your bathroom in Murray, Utah, EagleRidge is here to bring your vision to life. Call us today at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate and experience expert remodeling that combines style, functionality, and quality craftsmanship.